Certainly, here are some home garden vegetable tips. 1. Choose the right location. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. Ensure your garden gets enough sunlight and has good drainage. 2. Prepare the soil. Invest in good soil. It should be loose, well-draining, and rich in organic matter. Consider adding compost or aged manure to improve soil fertility. 3. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables. If you're new to gardening, begin with vegetables that are easier to grow, such as tomatoes, lettuce, radishes, and peppers. 4. Plant at the right time. Different vegetables have different planting times. Follow the instructions on the seed packets or do some research to know the best time to plant each vegetable in your area. 5. Water properly. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water deeply and less frequently rather than shallowly and frequently. Early morning is the best time to water. 6. Mulch. Mulching helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Organic mulches like straw, shredded leaves, or grass clippings work well. 7. Fertilize appropriately. Use organic fertilizers or compost to provide nutrients to your plants. Follow recommended application rates to avoid over-fertilizing, which can harm plants. 8. Prune and support when needed. Some vegetables, like tomatoes and cucumbers, benefit from staking or trellising. Pruning can also help improve air circulation and reduce disease risk. 9. Monitor for pests and diseases. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of pests or diseases. Early detection can help prevent major damage. Consider using natural remedies or organic pesticides when necessary. 10. Harvest regularly. Harvest vegetables when they're ripe to encourage continuous production. Regular harvesting also prevents plants from becoming overcrowded, which can lead to decreased yields. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to a successful home vegetable garden.
10. Continuous care. Regularly monitor your garden for any issues and address them promptly to ensure health.